I'm talking to you tonight about how to make money like Mukesh Ambani of India, a path to financial success. It is said that if you want to go to a particular place, you should ask questions from those who are coming from that very place so that they can tell you what you are likely to meet on the way and how to escape the problems you are going to meet. So Mukesh Ambani is the richest man in India, and India is about the most populous country in the world as of today. Mukesh Ambani, the chairman of the largest shareholder of Reliance Industries, is one of India's wealthiest individuals and a global business icon. His journey from inheriting a business to transforming it into a conglomerate spanning multiple sectors offers valuable lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders. You are on to Dr Olugbenga Adetitun TV. Please like this video. Here is a comprehensive guide on how to make money like Mukesh Ambani. Number one is diversify your investments. One of Ambani's key strategies is diversification. Expand across sectors. Ambani diversified Reliance Industries into petrochemicals, refining oil, and telecommunication industries, and many more. The diversification he had in his investments cut across different sectors, and these can mitigate risk and increase revenue streams. Another thing Mukesh did was to innovate in each sector. He focused on innovation within each sector. For example, Reliance Jio revolutionized the telecommunications industry in India with affordable data plans and wide network coverage. Number two thing we can learn from him is leverage technology and innovation. Embracing technology is crucial for modern business success. Adopt cutting-edge technology. Invest in the latest technology to stay ahead of the competition. Reliance Jio's success was built on advanced 4G technology. A part of number two, which is to leverage technology and innovation, is to focus on research and development. Allocate resources to research and development to create innovative products and services that meet market demands. Number three thing you can do is to build strong leadership and management teams. Successful businesses are often led by strong teams. Hire the best talent. Surround yourself with a team of skilled professionals who can drive your vision and help you to move your vision forward and make it to be a profitable venture. The next thing is to empower your team. Delegate responsibilities and empower your team to make decisions. This fosters innovations and ensures efficient management. Number four thing you need to do in order to make money like Mukesh Ambani is to expand aggressively. Ambani is known for his aggressive expansion strategies. Acquire and merge. Consider strategic acquisitions and merge to expand your business. Reliance Industries has grown through acquisitions in various sectors. Another thing under is to invest in growth. Reinvest profits into expanding your business operations and exploring new markets. Number five is focus on customer needs. Understand and addressing customer needs is fundamental to business success. Customer-centric approach is what you need. Develop products and services that cater to the specific needs of your target audience. Reliance Jio's affordable plans were designed to meet the needs of the average Indian consumer. The next thing under this is customer feedback. Utilize customer feedback. Continuously seek and incorporate customer feedback to improve your offerings. You are on to Dr Olugbenga Adetitun TV. Please like this video. Number six is for you to leverage market opportunities. Ambani has a keen eye for identifying and capitalizing on market opportunities. Market analysis. Conduct thorough market analysis to identify emerging trends and opportunities. Another thing under this leveraging of market opportunities is to adapt and pivot. Be ready to adapt your business strategies based on market changes and new opportunities. Don't just stay on what is happening yesterday. Instead, adapt and pivot. Number seven, invest in infrastructure. Investing in infrastructure can create long-term value for your business. Build robust infrastructure. Reliance Industries invested heavily in infrastructure, from refining capacities to telecom networks. Sustainable infrastructure. Focus on building sustainable infrastructure that will still be useful in the future. Number 8 is strategic partnerships and alliances. Forming strategic partnerships can accelerate the growth of your company and your own growth and your own financial success. So what do you need to do? Collaborate with industry leaders. Partner with other industry leaders to leverage their expertise and resources. Joint ventures. Consider joint ventures to enter new markets or develop new products. Number 9, focus on long-term vision. Ambani's success is driven by a long-term vision and not a short-term vision. Set long-term goals. Develop a clear long-term vision for your business and align your strategies to achieve these goals. Stay committed. When you have set the long-term goal, then stay committed on achieving that long-term goal. Remain committed to your vision even in the face of challenges and setbacks. Number 10 is philanthropy and corporate social responsibility. Giving back to society is an integral part of Ambani's approach. Engage in philanthropy. Contribute to social welfare and social causes and engage in philanthropy to make a positive impact on society. There's a law of sowing and reaping. There's a law of giving and receiving. So when you give, it comes back to you. So that is the concept of philanthropy. Then the next thing you have to do under this philanthropy is corporate social responsibility, also called CSR. Implement CSR initiatives to build a positive brand image and contribute to community development. So you are on Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun TV. Please like this video. Making money like Mukesh Ambani involves a combination of strategic diversification, leveraging technology, building long-term teams, building strong teams, aggressive expansion, and maintaining a customer-centric approach. By adopting these strategies and staying committed to a long-term vision, you can pave the way for substantial financial success. Remember, Ambani's journey is a testament to the power of innovation, resilience, and strategic planning. Please go ahead and watch the next video on my channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.